Good morning. So, meron tayong goal for this week, which is to run 5 kilometers for 30 minutes. Sub 30 yata ang tawag nila doon. 5 kilometers, 30 minutes. Today is Monday. So, I'm giving myself a week to accomplish that. So right now my record, personal record, I mean at least what Strava is saying is that meron ako 10 kilometers mga right now is an hour 10, an hour 15, somewhere there. So that's without that's sporadic running lang, and hindi siya intentional running, like it's not a committed running. Wala lang, pag naisipan mo lang tumakbo tapos tatakbo ka, wala, naubusan ka ng gagawin, tara takbo na lang ako, ganun. So that's that. So but for this week we're gonna commit to it because we can, because well, we're not working. Well, I'm working tomorrow actually, pero 2-3 hour work lang yun eh. So we don't have any excuse not to accomplish this and get this done, no? So right now I'm driving towards nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng track, pero it's track and field. So yeah, we're gonna go there. That's where we're gonna train for this week. Kasi mas okay, kasi mas consistent eh. Instead of, running on the street, tatawid ka pa, diba? You need to be cautious. You need to pay attention sa pedestrians and cars. So at least on the track you can just simply run. So that's that. So hopefully we can get this done, and if you want to join me on this journey, all right.